Hey guys, and welcome to JBS Garage, and in this video we're scrapping some shit and we're getting on with what we need to do. So, let's get on with it. Now, before I get on with the video, just go down there, press the like button, press the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and share this with all of your friends. Just do it. For me, Brad, this guy. Right, let's carry on. So what we're doing now is getting rid of most of these wheels. Now, the YBR one, which is second down, someone's going to come get for a tenner in a few days, but the other wheels, fuck it, they're all getting scrapped. No one's been buying them, so they're off, they're going. Goodbye. And also, along with those, not this battery, that's the only one I'm probably keeping, apart from the brand new one I bought for the Golf. All these lead acid batteries, plus the one that came with the Golf, and the one that came with the Citroën, are all going to the scrap man. So, yeah. Bloody less added batteries, at least they're worth money. And also, ped alloy there. There might be another ped alloy in here somewhere. But, yeah. What are you doing, Verno? Hey? Oi, what are you doing? Where's your collar? Oi, where's your collar? Where's your collar, boy? Both my cars running at once! Ah! Ah! Got two runners! Hey! Here we go! Two fucking shitters! Right, I've been to the scrapyard, it's the next day now. Right, didn't really do much else yesterday apart from taking that stuff to the scrap. But as you can see, £32.99 is an absolute result. I'm really happy with that. But now, we've got some better things to move on to. It's time to start doing some work to this thing. Because you guys want to see work on this thing. I know you do. So, let's get it started. So in this video, we're going to be cleaning everything up behind the wheels, cleaning the wheels, and boom. Right, so the first thing I want to talk about is, one, the 3x98 bolt pattern. Why the fuck is it a 3x98? Yeah. That's very annoying. Two, the amount of shit just on this car. Bear in mind, it wasn't this side that was in the bush, it was this side. No, I'm wrong, it was this side that was in the bush. This was the bush side. So, this should be the worst side really, but honestly, rust wise as well, look how not rusty it really is. That's all surface rust. That drive shaft, surface rust. Side of the engine, surface rust. That brake line there only just started penetrating in a little bit more than surface. Do you know what I mean? That's not even rusty, let alone surface. Do you know what I mean? Even the springs are hardly rusty. You know what I mean? Then if we look underneath, yeah. The smoke smells like curry. The smoke smells like curry. Big up Sunny. You know what I mean? But look, even the underneath of the car is not looking rusty. Like, I'll show you on wide angle quick as well. Let's go around the back, right? Exhaust is a bit rusty, as you can see there, yeah. But what would you expect from an exhaust, as well as one that was in a bush, right? A few bits of rust there. But if we actually start looking underneath again, there's hardly any rust. Like, it's a little bit rusty, yeah, obviously, but like, oh my god, it's such a clean little example. I don't know how, oh sorry, Sonny. I don't know how I've got this car for so cheap. We're both gloved up, look at us, hey, yeah. Show them your gloves. Oh, 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 that ain't no glove. Oi, this is cheeky right here, this is cheeky, this guy here. Right, you guys need to keep an eye on him for me. He's behind me.
Hammers are a good cure for cars. Do this.
He loves it. So what we're doing is we're just going through, we're just getting all the cobwebs and shit out. We've already got a few bits out of this side. I mean, we were all four wheels to go around on this car. And honestly, there is a lot of shit before we even start trying to clean it, you know? So, yeah, there's just cobwebs and shit everywhere. Because obviously, it was sat in a bush. Fucking mad. Before anyone says anything, I'm aware it's on two suicide jacks. I'm going to address that in just 1 second, yeah? But I was wanting to show you quickly all of this shit. You know what I mean? It's not, like, the actual car chassis itself isn't rusty. It's just the components that are bolted to it that are rusty. So, this is good. This is really, really good. Because that means this is all repairable.
Right, Brad's cleaning back wheels, dirt, all the dirt out. so that we can get this
cobwebs galore up here still.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, look at that. Bloody cobwebs.
Just getting that out. I've already done this, which is everything's pretty clean. Don't worry about that, that's just a bit of dirt. All mostly clean up there. What's going on there? Right, here it goes.
Pressure washer, DIY. Evian! Works a treat, everybody.
Well done, Brad. You're a genius, mate.
Genius. Fucking genius.
Yeah. Well done.
Hey, Brad, look at this wheel. Bro, you cleaned it from kicking it.
Yeah, bro. Hey! Basically, he's spraying this tarmac. It looks like tarmac.
Underbody sealant. It's basically spray paint, but mixed with tar, essentially. That's what I would class it as anyway. What I'm doing is I'm just preventing any rust from coming in the future. And you don't apply it like normal spray paint, because if you just try and hold it still, it eventually like runs out of paint like instantly, because you need to keep shaking it to keep the paint there. So for all of you that think I'm spraying like a retard, I'm not. There's actually a method to this, and I'm doing it correctly. So fuck off.
Right, so soon we will get some content on TikTok, and I'll be supporting Brad on his channel on YouTube. So hopefully, follow through. So the TikTok videos will be getting good shots of the cars,
Funny bits and shit.
all the funny bits. So follow through. That looks way better, doesn't it? Look at that. And look at that. That's like bad.
It looks sick. So it's not just like protection, it also makes it look clean, one colour kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm trying to get underneath his arm protection.
Brad's out here with his modded jack here, look.
Yeah. Yep, trust
Whatever
me.
that is.
Modify everything. Then that jack is fucking sketchy.
That one. He needs to do it with that one.
And now I finished the front.
Right.
Have a look at that, boys and
Yeah,
girls.
have a look.
Boom. That is beautiful.
Looks brilliant, isn't it? Yeah,
now
done.
let's move on to the rear.
Oh, look at that. Get it. Get it.
Oh,
Get it.
that is
Big daddy.
He's dead.
It's a big daddy. It's probably more than that.
Yeah, probably. Oh, maybe not.
No, no.
What about this one then?
No.
Oh, there's
one in there. Hey, get out, you little cunt. Get out, kill him. Kill him.
Oh my God.
With a spider massacre. It's a spider massacre. Anyway you like it, come get this spider. I can undo wheel nuts on the wheel.
But only 3 per wheel, you can't do 4 yet.
Can't do 4 or 5, it's only on 3.
Exactly.
I'll only trust you with 3. 3
oh, he's
bolts.
turning in. One second.
Hey, done it. 14.
What are you doing, Frodo? What are you doing?
So Brad's on the next bit. Doing the next side. It's actually looking alright, mate.
Yeah. So that's it. The wheel wells are sprayed now. All 4 corners cleaned and sprayed. Oh, so I should put in the last one now. Yes, we did the whole thing on suicide jacks. I said I was going to address it, but I'm not going to address it. You guys just have to watch me do the whole thing on suicide jacks. So that's it, guys. The day's done. Night time now. It's 1:45 in the morning. I'm just out here editing this video, sat in the cars because it's my happy place. And oh, yeah, I'm more glad to have sprayed the wheel wells and to have cleaned everything up now. Honestly, it was on my mind thinking about them spiders and cobwebs, and now it's gone. And I can know how much rust there is, and I know that is actually a really clean car, and I am so happy about that. Also, pick up the new advertisements on the back of the front. Hey, one car and the other car. Big up, big up.